that the world is not what it is. The world is what you are. What I see is not what you see. What I see is about my own sensitization, my promptings, my sensibilities. And if you see the world with the ordinary eye, you see nothing. You see the emptiness of the world. But if you see through your eyes with your mind, that's when the you in you will be expressed. In providing the services that ultimately establish needed value for the patient, everything we do revolves around decision making. We take decision to register the patient, decision to evaluate his vital signs. The question the doctors ask the patient are persuaded by what? Decisions. Customer loyalty, sorry, the choice to admit or discharge a patient is a decision. It takes a decision to smile or frown. It takes a decision to make the choice to be friendly or aggressive or supportive or humble, etc. It is a decision thing to be made to accept that the patient before you is merely making a brief stopover in the hospital as part of his numerous activities for the day, and that he has limited time to spare in the hospital. Yes. Everything is about what? Decision. You see a patient, many times we see people sitting down, walking around, moving from consulting room to consulting room, traveling from the consulting room to the laboratory or the X-ray unit. And at the back of our mind, we do not seem to understand that these people we are seeing have the hospital as part of their itinerary for the day. Some came from the office and they may have budgeted, say, 30 minutes, highest 1 hour for the hospital to enable them to go back to work. Some came from the house. Some will be traveling. Some have meetings, corporate personnel. Some have school run. But we seem to see them as part of the system. That's why they are there. Let them be there. Requires a deliberate, intentional decision to recognize that these patients are supposed to be here for a limited time. Let me take measures to help them. It's about, again, decision making. It is a decision to be made to painstakingly communicate a patient's condition to him in such a way as to secure understanding. It is a decision to be made for the patient, so to be patient with the patient. Did you get that? It is a decision you have to make for you to be patient with the patient. You can take a decision to be impatient, to be rash, to grumble, to quarrel, to walk out. It's about decisions, and it's about what we think about. It is a decision to be taken to ask the patient how he is doing. A decision to be made to tell the patient who is waiting why he is waiting. It is a decision to be made to call your patient to remind him of his appointment or cancel same with apologies. Did you hear that? You don't so. You deliver negative results with what? Apologies.